the story, it's about a small bird, and the small bird goes into the garden of a very rich man, and the rich man catches the bird, but the bird wants to be free. Okay? So, what I want you to do is ask me questions about the story. Try to find out about the story. Okay?
Why is this small bird and so in the garden?
The small bird is in the garden, but it gets caught in a net. Because the rich man has a net to stop the birds eating the fruit. Yeah? So the bird is caught in the net, and the rich man takes it.
What the garden owner say when the birds ask to be free?
He says, "I will free you if you give me three pieces of advice."
So what advice the garden owner want to ask?
Well, the bird tells the garden owner three beautiful pieces of advice.
Catch birds, and the birds want to be free. And the rich man ask the birds, give him the three pieces of advice. Firstly, and the birds did it. Firstly, don't change the past, don't change the present, don't trust passport. And birds get
Once
free.
there was a very rich man, and he was walking in his beautiful garden in the spring. And the flowers were out, and there was delicious scent from the flowers. And there in his garden he found a small bird in a net. So the rich man took the small bird. "Little bird, I've caught you." And the little bird spoke and said, "Oh, rich man, set me free. All I want is my freedom." "Why should I set you free?" "I am no good to you," said the small bird. "My feathers are grey. I am not pretty to look at. I am too small for you to eat. I do not sing a beautiful song. Set me free." And the rich man said, "I will set you free if you have something you can give me." And the bird said, "I can give you advice. I will give you three pieces of advice if you set me free." And the rich man said, "First, give me the advice. Then, if I think the advice is good, I set you free." "Very well," said the bird. "First, do not wish for what you cannot have. Second, do not try to change the past. And third, do not believe what is impossible." Said the rich man, "These are wise words. I set you free." And he let go, and the bird flew up into the tree. But now the rich man heard the bird was laughing. "Why are you laughing?" said the rich man. "Are you laughing at me?" "Why, yes," said the small bird. "I am laughing at you." "Why are you laughing at me?" "Because," said the small bird, "inside me I have a diamond the size of a chicken's egg." "What?" said the rich man, and his face became dark. "Come back, small bird. Come back. I will look after you in a cage in my house. I will feed you delicious food every day. I will keep you in the cage even in the winter, for when the winter comes there will be no food for you and you will freeze. Here in my house you will be safe." The bird continued to laugh. "Why are you laughing? Are you laughing at me?" said the rich man. And the bird said, "Yes, I am laughing at you." "Why?" "Because you have already forgotten my advice. I said, do not wish for what you cannot have.
Yeah.
You cannot have me, for now I am free. Do not try to change the past. You gave me my freedom, and you cannot get it back, for freedom is all I want. And third, don't believe in what is impossible. How can a little bird like me have a diamond the size of a chicken's egg inside? And laughing, the small bird flew away.
It could be help me predict. Yeah. Because in this story, and when you told us the three pieces of advice, actually I think I should focus on that because it could be key to the ending.